morning. I'm Rob Miskowski with Record Supply USA. We're just going to show you real quick with a auto recovery strap how you use it on the rim. Say you're stuck in a ditch, you have one on each rim and you're able to pull with your rec truck, be able to pull it right out of the ditch from the rim, or you can use recovery hooks. And remember, once you're done, make sure your strap is clean. Before you put it away, it's dry. There you have a 2-inch, 1-ply recovery strap for vehicle. And don't forget to check out all the straps and all the kinds, widths, plies that we have online at recordsupplyusa.com. We have you recovered.